Okay, guys. So, a lot of people have been having problems with trying to get custom hit markers on Quest, and after I think a month or two, I figured out how to do it. So, what you want to do, you want to go to Loader, you're going to go to your Bonelab, go to user data, not enough photons, hit markers, skins, and you want to click this. You want to click new folder. You want to name it whatever you want. Like I'm getting Black Ops 6 ones right now, so Black Ops 6. Okay. Okay. So you can put spaces in your stuff. It doesn't matter, but just I recommend you don't. Then you want to go in the folder you just created. Click. You want to put the name as SFX. Hold up, guys. Let me join my friend's call. Okay, I'm creating the video right now. Just don't speak. Okay. So, after you do that, you want to go to your downloads to whatever hit markers you downloaded. You want to click view. You want to go to user data, not enough photons, hit markers, and skins. Now, if there's two of them, just pick which one you want. So I'm gonna highlight this one. I'm gonna copy it, and in your downloads, you want to paste, and that's it. Then you want to go into your Black Ops 6 or whatever you have, and you want to copy all of this. You want to copy it. Then you're gonna go into your melon loader. You want to go to your stress level 0, user data, not enough photons, hit markers, skins, and then you want to go into Black Ops 6 and you want to paste it. Once that's done, you want to go back and go back to your downloads. You want to go back to the Black Ops 6 and you want to highlight the sounds. Now, the thing I will tell you is that these need to say .wave. So if it says .mp3, you just need to rename them to wave. Then you want to get out of there. You want to go to melon loader. And you want to go to user data, not enough photons, hit markers, skins, and then you want to go to the folder that you put the images in, and go to SFX, and then paste. Now, what I will tell you is that you can rename one of your folders to be default. You just have to delete the old one, and then you can add whatever you want to that one too. So we're gonna hop in Bonelab and test it. I will say some of the hit markers will not work because they were built for an earlier patch. Crazy, right? Okay, so now that you loaded into Bonelab, you want to go to your preferences, you want to go to Bone menu, and you want to go to your not enough photons. So you want to click hit markers, skins. Oh wait, you want to keep this enabled, by the way. You want to go to your skins, and it should be right here. So I'm going to test out the Black Ops 6 hit markers, and we're going to see how they turned out. Don't mind my avatar, it's just fat. So now we have 4. Flip it around. This is 4 right here, okay? We're gonna get like a 1911. 1911. Load the gun, and there are your hit markers. Now, if your hit markers option disappears, if this disappears, and it's just not enough photons, or it's just mag perception, that means that hit marker is not supported. That's all. I hope y'all have a good time with your hit markers, and that's it. Bye. Also, if the file isn't the right size, if it's not the right aspect ratio, you have to resize it using an image resizer. Just look at the official Hitmarkers website on Thunderstore. It should tell you what file size it needs all the way at the bottom. So, if you need to resize the image, don't worry about the downloading. If you need to resize the image, you need to search up a resize image. I'll put the link in the description. You want to go to the website. You want to add your file. Let's see what file we should use. We use a file that doesn't fit into frame. Let's see. We will use this one. We'll use this one. So as you see, it's not to the power of 2. You need to make it like that. So you want to make this one, since it's closest to 256, you want to make it 256. By the way, you want to click this so it unlocks the ratio. And then it should come out like this. You want to click off of this, by the way, because it will make it to where, like, for some reason, it'll increase the number when you're not trying to increase the number. You want to export this as a PNG. Once it's done, you want to go back to ZR Archiver. You want to go to Melon Loader, user data, and then you want to go to your skins. Don't mind whatever my friend is doing. You want to go to whatever your thing was, and you want to delete the original full images if they weren't like 256, 512, or like 1024. You want to delete those and then replace them with what you resized. And then your files should say .wav. They cannot say .mp3 or will not work.